What if you could upload a spreadsheet, ask questions in plain English, and instantly get charts, reports, and insights without writing a single line of code? That's exactly why Julius AI has become one of the most popular AI data analysis tools in 2026. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use it step by step to analyze data faster and more easily. So first of all, Julius AI is an AI-powered website that helps users work with spreadsheets and datasets using simple conversations instead of complicated programming. Instead of learning Python, SQL, or advanced Excel formulas, you can simply upload your data and ask questions like, what are my top-selling products? Or create a chart showing monthly revenue growth, and the AI handles the analysis automatically. To get started, you first go to the Julius AI website and create an account. Once you log in, you'll usually see an upload section where you can drag and drop your spreadsheet, CSV file, or dataset directly into the platform. After the upload finishes, Julius AI automatically reads the data structure and prepares it for analysis. This is where the fun part begins, because you can now interact with your data like you're chatting with ChatGPT. For example, you can ask the AI to summarize trends, identify patterns, create graphs, clean missing data, or explain unusual results in simple language. One of the biggest features users love is the automatic chart generation. Instead of building graphs manually inside Excel, Julius AI can instantly create visual charts and dashboards from your data in seconds. Many users online say this saves them a huge amount of time, especially students, marketers, and small business owners who don't want to spend hours learning technical software. Another feature people really like is the ability to explain complex information in plain English. Julius AI often summarizes findings in a way beginners can understand, which makes data analysis feel much less intimidating. Users also praise the clean interface and conversational workflow because it feels faster and easier than traditional spreadsheet tools. According to many reviews online, one of the best things about Julius AI is that it lowers the barrier for beginners who normally struggle with coding or advanced analytics tools. But of course, there are also a few downsides you should know about. Some users mention that the AI can occasionally misunderstand messy datasets or generate inaccurate conclusions if the uploaded information is poorly organized. Others say advanced analysts may still prefer tools like Python, Tableau, Power BI, or Excel because they offer deeper control and customization. A few reviewers also mentioned that some advanced features and larger usage limits require paid subscriptions, which may not be ideal for every user. Overall, though, most reactions in 2026 are very positive because Julius AI makes data analysis dramatically easier and more accessible for everyday users. So my honest opinion is this: if you're a beginner, student, startup founder, marketer, or business user who wants fast insights without learning complicated coding, Julius AI is honestly one of the best AI data analysis tools you can use right now. It may not fully replace professional analytics software for experts, but for most people, it can save a massive amount of time and frustration. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite AI productivity tool in 2026.